we're excited to announce the release of our drop-in filtration system for the 2017 through 2023 L5P Duramax. Now, as I said right at the beginning, it is drop-in, meaning there is no aftermarket tune calibration to prevent a check engine light, and this can be installed in an hour or less. You could even do it in your driveway. Now, this video, I really wanted to dive in and give some more deep technical information on the system and kind of why we designed it to utilize the factory cartridge style water separator element. So with our system, first, the fuel is going to enter through a nice quick connect fittings that's going to connect right to your factory fuel inlet line. And once the fuel enters the filter base, it's then going to go through this factory fuel heater element. So the fuel is going to enter. And once it passes through the heater element, it's going to drop in to the factory cartridge water separator element. Now, this is not just a fuel heater, this is also a water and fuel sensor. And the way the water and fuel sensors are designed, it has to be on the dirty side of the filter element in order to get an accurate reading on the water level that may be in the sump area of the filter bowl here. You may just think, well, instead of doing the factory cartridge element, why don't you just spin on a Caterpillar water separator? And that sounds fine and dandy, but the problem with that is, if you spun on a Caterpillar water separator here and utilize this factory water and fuel sensor, what you're going to be doing is putting this probe on the clean side of that element. Now, if this probe were to ever detect water, it's already going to be too late because the water's on the clean side of the element and it's going to be going up to your injection system, which, as you have heard the horror stories, that can cause a lot of damage to your injection components. Now, moving on, once the fuel passes through the factory water separator, it's then going to go forward here. I'll show you on this system over here. It's going to go forward and through our extreme water separator. Now, this is going to filter any particulates down to 2 microns absolute, and any water that may have happened to make it past that factory water separator element, we're going to remove over 99% of that water, ensuring that you're getting nice pure fuel to your fuel injection system. Now, on top of improving water filtration and particulate filtration, we're also going to be adding in air separation. The air separation is going to connect with this trick little quick connect fitting right into the factory engine return, right at the fuel tank, clips right on, and that is super simple. Another improvement we were able to make over the factory filtration assembly, we were able to decrease pressure drop across the entire assembly, meaning our system flows, even though we're adding an additional filter, it still flows better than that factory filter assembly. Now, for more information or to get yours ordered today or to locate a dealer near you, be sure to check them out at fassride.com.